we gotta hold position first and then pin them down and then send a sprinter.
If you look where they are, look where the flag is, if you can see it.
No, I can't.
Okay, it's behind the tree. But you see the push stick if you walk 2 steps to your right or left? Yeah. You see it on the ground?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we just have to go. We either get all the way up to those barrels or we get to the ones he's sitting on. I'm going to the ones he's sitting on.
Hey, one of you guys, can you get behind that truck over there? Hey, you two, deep trenches, he's behind the truck, okay? Let's move.
Hey, we got 2 or 3 pushing left. Yeah, it's infinite. I got some in the woods. Hey, when you get back there, push left. We got one guy that's tearing it up over there. Hey, I got one in mid. Hey, back there in the t-shirt. Push up to me. Keep your head down, keep your head down. I got one watching straight down the middle on the left side.
There's one over there.
Straight on the left, so. They're over this way. Wind your gun. Hey, what do you see over there?
No.
How clear is it? I'm going to go for it.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Fort, straight ahead.
Gotcha. Never mind.
Hey, hang tight.
Yeah, I'm holding. I'm not going to rush it. Ah, my back. Ow, fuck.
Headquarters is out. Right side.
Whew.
Tire, one behind tire, right side.
Whew. Hey, we could use some help forward. Get around the box. We have almost nothing on the right.
right to the cheating.
Yeah, we know.
I hit one while running.
That tracer is cool.
Thank you. Ah, fuck. Don't shoot me in the back. Going in 3. 3.
Close side got the flag. Sorry, far side has the flag. Close side's in the lead.
Oh, I hit my arm right on the ground.
All right?
Yeah. Now we just hold it. That's how you do it. Hey, we're winning. Just push up and hold the position.
I think the Gilly kid is deep right.
Yeah, he is. Alan, shoot in the back.
There's a guy behind the car.
Gotcha.
Or close behind the car.
Hey, we got a big left push. Big left push. One on the car ahead of you.
I think it's Gilly's suit.
Hey, we got 2 on that car. One on the car, 1 down.
1 minute.
That was a nice throw, dude.
Seconds.
Just hold positions.
Hold position. Red.
We got 2 pushing right.
I got one of them pushing right.
Yeah, I got the other.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,